Alright, we're gonna do a quick wire wrap. First thing you're gonna need is a stone. This is a Rustic Phantom Amethyst point from Brazil. Wire cutters, needle nose pliers, and I don't know what these are called. I'll use that towards the end. I'm just gonna clip this off because this is my second time around. Fucked up the first one. And just watch. And you can watch the video again and practice. Spin it around until it goes one way, flip it so you can keep it flush against the end. And I want to spin that around a few times. Then what I do is I pinch it and I'll bend it over so it's like that. You're going to want to get this to set perfectly on the stone. So what I'm going to do is just bend it back. It's a little hard with this camera here, but I'll make it happen. That's a lot closer. What you're gonna do is run it down, and then we're gonna hook it. So let's see. Run it down, hook it around at the bottom, and literally just bend the wire around. This only works with certain type of stones. Pretty sure you can do it with other stones, but towards the top, and then what we're going to do is give it a little bit of excess. Use wire cutters, cut the desired length. We're going to use these needle noses to bend this through. Trying to do this fast for the sake of this. It's a little easier with thinner wire. I like them to be thicker. Pause. And just gonna squeeze that through like that, and then loop it through another couple of times. Maybe one more time. Boom. We're going to put it through one more time and then clip it. I'm just going to try to push that through basically. You're going to have a little gap up top. That's what these are for. And I'm basically going to use this to kind of guide the wire through that opening. Again, it's a little more difficult with these thicker wires, but I prefer the thicker wire. Boom. Now, this is pretty much in shape. we're gonna do is bend the wire. What that does, it tightens the wire to the stone so it doesn't go anywhere. Number one thing with wire wrapping is to make sure that the stone never comes out, ever. Let's see, so we got it here. I'm gonna push this down a little bit. Boom. And let's see. It's gonna sit like this. Could bend this, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's start with this one. So you're just gonna pinch it, twist it. It's gonna tighten the wire to the stone. So if you ever see these, that's basically what that is doing. This one, I'm going to invert the twist, tightening, make it look like that. Do it again here. Gives it a really cool effect. Do it again down here, it's a little loose. Boom. This little piece right here might be sticking out. What you could do is you could trim that. And if you give me a second, try to tighten this in here. Yep. Okay. Trim that, make sure it doesn't get caught on any clothes. And this you can just pretty much slip your, what's it called, your necklace piece through. Like this. Simple, effective copper wire wrap for beginners. You're done, son. 7 minutes. Share, follow me Facebook, Instagram, Rustic Minerals, rusticminerals.com. Tell your friends, buy, support, share, and hook me up with some good Google reviews. Appreciate it. Love.